Hand washes are liked by all, but I know they are very expensive. But to know how to make them easily and in a cheaper way at home, let's watch this video. Please subscribe. Hand washes are nowadays used very commonly, and people like to use hand washes instead of using soap bars. But the main disadvantage of using a hand wash is what I see is that a little hand wash comes for a lot of money. So today I'll show you how to make it easily at home. So very simple ingredients you will have to arrange for it. First of all, we need soap bars. I've cut them, shred them. Whether you grate them, whether you cut them, although it's very satisfying to curl them with a knife or with a scraper, but you can grate them as well. Secondly, you need the sanitizer, because we add it into it to give it an extra boost of sanitization. Then you need the glycerin so that it won't leave your hands dry. So you should put glycerin into it. You can add other things as well, such as the fragrance oils, like the essential oils. You can put any oil which you like. I'm going to put lavender oil because I like the smell of lavenders. You can put any oil, whether orange, whether cinnamon oil, any oil according to your taste and according to your choice. So here you can see this is the mixture of 2 or 3 bars. I guess these were 4 bars, and we were not using it at home. Like no one is fond of using any soap bar at my home, so I decided to make hand soaps out of them so that everyone will use it easily. So now I'm transferring this scrapes of the soap bars into a glass bowl. Just remember, whenever you take a bowl of glass for this purpose, it should resist heat, because in the next step you will see that I'll add boiling hot water into it. As you can see, the amount of water should be double of this quantity of the soap batter. The mixture of these soap scrapes, and you should take the double amount of water, and it should be boiling hot water. Mix it very well. One thing I must say, please note down that the soaps have stabilizers, so it will set again and again, and you have to mix it repeatedly. Now I'm adding sanitizer to it. It's almost 1.5 tablespoons, and then I'll add the lavender essential oils, almost 10 drops. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of glycerin, as I've told you, and then I'll mix it again. Once you come to know that it is now in a liquid form, so you should put it in a blender, a mixer, and mix it very well in a blender so it liquefies all the clumps remaining into it. Now I've kept it for resting so that it can liquefy it at its most. So now I'll meet with you after a while. I've kept on mixing it again and again. Although it's a bit time consuming process, but believe me, the end result is going to be amazing, and you will be having so much of bottles of hand soaps that it will make you happy. And this is the end result. I've mixed it again and again, and this is like, as I told you, that soaps have stabilizers, so they set again and again. So these 3 bowls have come out of that one crush material bowl. One bowl of crush material has now formed into these 3. Okay, after mixing it into the mixer, the end result is this. I've filled all these bottles, which were empty bottles with available to me. Like, these are all the empty shampoo and body wash and hand wash bottles, and I've filled them with it. You can also add coconut oil to it if you want to have the fragrance of coconut and the effectiveness of the coconut, and you can also add these whitening capsules into it if you want. So it will make your skin